Just a bird. Actually pretty close to it from where I'm standing, only a few feet away from it. I'm thinking to be all sideways. This is like actually the first time I ever got like very close to a bird. I want to see how close I can get before it flies away. God, I'm gonna freak out if it flies. Oh, there it goes. Oh, never mind. It's just stretched, I guess. It's walking. Trying to get away. Oh. I think it's like because I moved, it started flapping its wings. I'm just following it from the side. Now I hear a squirrel. I'm actually surprised of how close like I am to the bird. Okay, I'm actually like closer. If you look how close I am, I'm only a few feet away from the bird. Oh no. It ain't making a noise. I don't know why. It's just a quiet bird. Oh, taking a step closer. Oh no, I feel like it's going to fly toward me. I don't know why. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I was going to get closer, but now I'm just standing back. Stay in my ground. I hear Rufus. Ah. Oh no! Oh, it's still there. My phone freaking had a notification on it. It scared the bird. Stop, phone. It was poop right there. Step past that. It's the ground is wet. I'm wearing flip flops. Hey, bird. How's it going? Rufus is right there. Like I just like want to reach my hand out and like pet it, but yeah, I feel like that's gonna like freaking. I'm gonna freak out if the bird starts flying. See, I don't like it looking at me like that because I feel like it's gonna flap its wings and like fly toward me. Yeah, this is gonna be like just